about x plus y equals 5.
Okay. What's the boundary equation?
X minus y equals 3.
Alright. Tell me something. Top equation. X plus y is 5, right? What's my x-intercept?
1.
Really? How many x's do you see here? No, on that top equation, how many x's do you see here? 1. Can 1 go into that last number for me? On your paper for me then, can you go 5 spaces to your right and put me a dot? So someone back over here, you got a dot for me back here, right? How many y's do you see on that first equation? 1 again? 1 goes in 5 for me again. So from the middle, I'm going up, but up 5 spaces?
Yes.
Do that for me? And then draw me a line using your sticks and stuff for me. Draw me a line going through those 2 points for me, please. That's my first equation, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Now, look at the bottom equation. Again, how many x's do you see?
1.
You see 1 again? What's your last number at the end?
3.
So my x-intercept is going to be?
3.
So can you go 3 spaces to my right and put me a dot? Look at my y value for me. Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
So would I be going up or down?
Down.
How many?
3.
So can you go down 3 and put me a dot? Then draw me a line and connect them. Do they cross?
No.
Yes, they do. If you did it right, they cross.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright? Now, if you do it correctly, can you tell me where they cross? We say that? 4 1? And if I check the number, notice, if you add up 4 and 1, don't you get 5?
Yeah.
If you do 4 minus 1, don't you get that 3 for me?
Yep.
So, one of your methods we're going to use called the graphing method for me. Are we good with that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everybody, are we good with that?
Yes.
Okay, on my test, on your test, Thursday of this week, your last page, you're going to have a problem like this. We're going to do that one problem 4 different ways, and that's my first method.
Alright.
We good?
Yeah.
You know.
Can I leave it?
For sure.
Everybody got it? Can I let it go?
Yes, sir.
Your second method is called the addition method.
Mr. Fields, both of ours have 3 on them.
On the bottom equation?
And the top. I don't have no numbers. Yeah. Both of ours equals 3.
Yeah, my.
Yeah.
Make the top and a 5. The addition method is called the addition elimination method. Just draw me a line. Come straight down in the column. How many inches do I have altogether?
2.
2 of them. Do my y's the same way. How many y's am I left with? If I got 1 and you take away 1,
You don't have none.
so all of them are gone?
Yeah.
What's my last number going to be for me?
8.
So 2 times what number is going to give me an
4.
8? How we get it?
Divide.
So we divide both sides by 2.
Yes.
Put a box around that answer for me. Now, take that answer and go back to one of your top equations. Do you want the one with the plus sign or you want the one with the minus sign?
Plus.
Alright, so plug it in there for me. So what that gives me, 4 plus some number's going to give me a 5?
Yes.
How do I get rid of that 4?
Subtract it.
Subtract from both sides.
And then leave me with my y value being, what was our first answer we had in the beginning? 1 and 4 1. Second answer again is 4 1. That's called the addition method.
Okay.
Look at it, see if you got a problem with it. Everybody will have their own different problem on your test. So I got 4 problems on the back page already highlighted for you. Any questions about the addition method for me?
No, sir.
Let's leave that.
It's easy. I don't like those.
Third method is called Kramer.
Creamer.
Kramer uses matrices and stuff, alright? So you're going to make me 3 boxes. So in the first box, I'm using column A and B. In the second box, I'm using C and D. In the third box, I'm using A and C. Or you can put 4 numbers in each one of my boxes for me, all right?
Okay.
So look at, on the column A, how many X's do I have here?
One.
How many do I have down here?
1.
So everywhere I got A, I put 1 and 1.
Yes.
So everywhere you got A, you put 1 and 1. On the B for me, how many Y's do I have here? How many do I have down here? Negative 1?
Yeah.
So everywhere I got B, we're going to put what, 1 and negative 1?
Yes.
On the column C, my two numbers what, 5 and 3? All right. When you finish, I should have 4 numbers in each one of my boxes for me then. Everybody feel how we got our numbers? D, okay, Darren, okay with how we got our numbers? All right, everybody else?
Yes.
All right, so now, I need to get what's called my determinant right here. For instance, if I multiply these two numbers right here, what would I get? I get negative 1.
Yes.
As soon as you write that number, you put a minus sign right behind it for me. Always put that minus sign right behind that first number. If I go the other way and multiply those two numbers, that would just give me a...
1.
How much is a negative 1 minus 1 going to give me?
0.
No, it's not. I lost $1, I lost another dollar. That'll give me a negative 2. Question. You always go down first, put a minus sign, then we go up. Second box. So if I do this, what would I get?
Negative 5.
Negative 5, what goes right behind it?
A minus sign.
If I go up, I get a...
3.
If I have a negative 5 and a negative 3, that would just give me a negative 8. My last box, do the same thing. That'll give me a... Gotta go down first, don't you?
Yeah.
That'll give me a 3. Put me a minus sign. When I go up, I'll get a...
5.
Alright. And that'll just give me an answer of a...
Negative 2.
Alright. So, big A is a negative 2. Big B is a negative 8. And big C is a negative 2 for me, right?
Yes.
The last part of this rule says do this for me. To figure out my X value, I'm sorry. It says put B over A. And Y say put C over A. For X, what two numbers am I using?
B and A.
So what's my two numbers? Count over if you get it right here too. I'm just going to count over. Yeah, I'm going across. I'm going to stop. See where it crosses right here, right? So I'm going to count. I get to right here and I'm going to stop. 6 or 5. Count where you start.
Yeah.
So then, how many do I go up to get to that point? 2, 3.
Yes.
So you said you went over 5, you went up 3, right? So just write 5 and 3 to the side for me. Now check it. If I add up 5 and 3, do I get 8?
Yep.
If I do 5 minus 3, do I get my 2? So you know you stuck it up. So you now got a method for me. All right? Okay. How we doing, Jay? Okay. JJ? How you doing, baby?
I keep getting 3.
You say my numbers is 5 and 3, right? How much is 5 plus 3? What's 5 minus 3?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I just make sure I always keep this.
Okay, now you gave me this, you gotta plug it back into one of those equations from at the top. All right, how we doing, D? On the substitution method? All right, you the coach, all right? So this is you, you the thing. Why you not doing anything? Get out of here. You put these people in this critical, right? So for the equation here, wouldn't that be x plus x minus 3 equals 8? So you have to use x plus, you got right here, x minus equals 8. Alright, now how many niggas you got all together right there? Alright, minus 2 equals 8. What are you getting rid of? The 2 or the negative? Okay. Add that up and see what we get. So solve for my value for x. For x equals, put a box around that answer for me. Now we're going to go back to this box to what you had up here for me. You had y. Did I have my little equation right here? So you got to put that back in. So wouldn't that be 5 minus 2 equals y? Okay. And you just simplify what you got. That's my value for y, right? Put a box around it. Okay. What we doing with it? You got it, baby?
I'm done.
Okay. I'm gonna give you one. Well, that's a practice problem. So I'm gonna give you one problem for grades. Have everybody got the same thing for me? Okay.
So you want to do these on the board?
We might do a few more on the board. Yes. Make sure everybody got the same answer for me there. Well, you want to do one for me?
Yeah.
Which one you want? Which method you want to use? Substitution method?
No, I want to do number 3.
The Kramer method? Go push the right arrow and go ahead and do it then. You're going to do Kramer method, so which one do you want to do? So let's go ahead and finish your first one. Which one do you want to do? It don't matter to you? How we doing, Court? Lala, you okay? You do one more? She's doing that. Police gonna do it. So which one you gonna do for me? Which method?
I'm gonna do it. She doing cream? I do graphics.
Right. You do substitution? These are my addition method for me, please, sir? You do addition? Thank you, darling. So now, one time negative one will give you one time negative one will give you positive negative. So negative one coming first. Put a minus sign right behind it. Now, what's one time one going to give you? All right. Now, you spend $1 and you spend another $1, what you spend all together for me? Put equals -2 for me. I put right in there, James. I got somebody to do it for us. If they back out, you can have it then. All right? Now, do the same thing for the second one. You always go down first, right? How we doing there? You all right? You good? And all right, you got my extra 5. Now, plug it back to the top of the equation. So it's going to be 5 plus y equals 8. Now, get rid of that 5. Am I adding that 5 or subtracting that 5? All right? Everybody the same answer you got for the Kramer method? Are we good? Okay.
I think I got it.
Okay. Push the left arrow so you can go back. Okay. Okay, so now for the y, again, that's 1 again, right? So am I going 8 up or 8 down? So go 8 and put me that. And then you go just draw me a line, connect those two for me there, right? I'm sorry. That's right. All right, so now you always go down first, so you go down here. Is that a y or supposed to be a 1? How many y's you got here? Oh, so for those, that should be a 1. Okay. And right where across from here? Well, like, are you doing substitution or addition? Who's doing addition?
Me. Oh, dang it.
All right, that's the addition method for us. Any questions? Are we good? Go ahead, baby. Lala, here. Yeah. Hater. Keep going, baby.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you good?
I mean, yeah, but I've seen it. I didn't see it.
Okay. So now, let's wait on me. So the next page, this is your problem for a quiz grade right now. That's my quiz grade.
I can't see that red.
You can't see that red?
You gotta change color. Don't change color.
Oh, that's.
Can't see?
No.
Sorry.
Do something about it. No, sorry.
I like your attitude.
Any questions about the substitution method right here? Darren, you okay? All right. Anybody got any questions about the four methods? For a quiz grade, on the back of this is your one problem for a grade. Nobody's going to tell you anything. Yeah. I'm not going to walk by and say, good job, whatever like that. Then I'm going to say, just do it for me. So, if you don't have a question about the four methods for me, on the back of this for me, can you use this problem right here for me? Well, you got the equal sign, put a 7 and put a 5 for me. Put a 7 and put a 5 for me. Do that for me real quickly. Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay. Thank you. Now, do me a favor. All right. We'll go back to the first sheet that we did. Perpendicular, intersecting, or the same line for me, right?
Right.
Do we have any questions about any of that? Any questions?
No.
So if I have to make up one problem right now, well, we only got 3 minutes left. Y'all can't work in 3 minutes. Okay. The sheet we had from the other day, yesterday. Did you have trouble with that or not? I can talk about that.